Hi, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. This week's video is going to be a little shorter. I'm retrofitting an old bottle opener with a leather cover. Let's get to it. Now I'm starting off with an old bottle opener that I just need to remove the vinyl cover. Rifle through that drawer that you know you need to clean up but never do, and find a box cutter or knife. Now once I remove the vinyl, I'm going to need to clean this thing up a bit. It's seen some wear and tear over the years. For this project, I'm using some 2 to 3 ounce Wicket & Craig medium brown harness. Using some shears, I'm just cutting out the rough shape. Now I know the vertical length that I want this, but I'm going to need to check the width as it fits around the bottle opener. I suggest cutting that a little bit wider and then trimming it down as necessary. Doing a little test fit, and that looks good. Now I'm going to bevel both the top and bottom before dyeing and burnishing. Looks like chocolate shavings, but I don't think it'll taste as good. This kind of needs a little bit of a textured accent. And for that I suggest using a stitch groover. This is a great, easy way to add some texture to a piece. And here I'm using some brown edge dye. And now I'm using a wing divider to mark where I'm going to put the stitches. Then using my KS blade punch pricking irons, I'm hammering out my holes. Then adding some of that Tokonol water 50-50 mix before burnishing. Now I'm stitching this up like I would a sleeve with some Vinimo MBT No. 5 brown thread. I like the look of that X stitching pattern on the outside. Then I clipped off the excess and burnt the end so it doesn't pull through. Then it was just a matter of fitting it on there. Gonna be snug at first, but once it's on there, it's on there. Doesn't look too bad. And with that, you're ready to open brewskis on game day. But let's test it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now this was a fun, easy project. If you have something lying around that might need some new retrofit sleeve or cover to it, this is a nice way to breathe some new life into a product like this. I am on Instagram at legacybrandleather. Go ahead and give me a follow there. I post product photos, process photos, and general rugged vibes. If you want to support my channel on Patreon, you can head to patreon.com/legacybrandleather. Check out my online store at legacybrandleather.com for some leather goods and some project patterns. And besides that, I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.